YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Stitching Capitals, tapping back in with another video, and it's Monday. Rainy one at that. It kind of rained all night, to be honest, but right now it is 8:34. If that'll focus, it's 8:34 right now. Oh man, this thing's. It's 8:34, December 9th. I'm finna get a walking, and I'm gonna make it fast because I don't want to get rained on. So I'll see you guys when I get back from, the morning scroll. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So yeah, let's get started with the day. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Feel refreshed. I'm still a little tired because I don't know what's been going on with the sleep, but we're gonna get to the root of it. But nevertheless, we still prevail. Oh, I am getting rained on. Man, that's not cool. No, man, that's not cool. I'm gonna have to sit on the porch and just enjoy some. Oh, it's starting to rain harder as soon as I step out here too. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. Every day I kind of wake up. Well, not even kind of, bro. Every day I wake up and I think about when it's going to be that moment, but it's never going to be just one moment that's going to send you over the edge to where you're trying to get to go, or that or that status that you're trying to reach. It's never going to be that, like, you wake up and it's there. It's never going to be that moment. It's always going to be like this kind of, ooh, I'm getting close. Oh shit, I'm falling away. I'm getting close. It's always going to be like that wave of motion, because life is just like a roller coaster, bro. It's like you're gonna be going straight up, but sometimes you're gonna be going straight down. But every now and again, you're gonna go through some, you know what I'm saying, some of them spiral type of shits, and that's what life is about. Oh, life is a roller coaster, bro. Shit can be scary, but it can be thrilling at the same time. So it's like, it's never gonna be that perfect moment, man. It's never going to be that perfect moment. If you're trying to start something and you feel like, I just got too much on my plate right now, or I'm not in a good position of life right now to really start that up. It's like, I'm gonna just wait till the right time, and you're gonna be saying that shit for fucking years. And I'm gonna keep it a bean with you. You're gonna be saying that shit for years. And for those of you, and for those of you who have families and you kind of feel like, man, I got a family now, I don't have time to really work on my craft, and the family takes up too much time, and I don't really have time for myself, and you better get your shit together, man. You gotta get your priorities together, man. If it's going to help you better your life and your family's life, then you need to sit down with your spouse and really figure out a game plan to, this is my time towards you, but this is the time I'm going to work on my craft, and this is going to be the time that I need you to, let me be in my space, let me be in my solitude, so I can work on this thing that's not only going to improve me, but improve our whole family dynamic. So it's like, for those of you who have families now and they still haven't got to where they want to get, there's still no excuse, bro. There's just still no excuse, because like I always say, man, life is too short, and you want to give yourself the best life, but also your families. And you also should be willing to work harder, or willing to put that time aside, so you can really, impact your legacy. So you really need to do that, bro. And for those of you who are a single man like myself, you definitely have no excuse but to get up and get it, bro. And just really focus and really just cut out all distractions, bro. It's easier said than done, but you're gonna have to find the means of ground to really stand on, and to really focus up and lock in. So I hope y'all feel what I'm saying, cause bro, I know when Trump stepped in office, that nigga pumping the market, and when he was a president, when his last term, shit was jumping off. Markets were good, economy was good, There was no wars under Trump, feel me? So it's like, y'all boys gotta really pay attention, man. Get hip to the time that we're about to enter. We're about to enter into a golden era for the next 4 years. Now, I can't tell you what's gonna happen after that, but I got a good idea what Trump did. I got a good idea. So, you better make some shape. You better, you know what I'm saying? You better figure out a game plan because the time is now. The time is now. So don't miss out on this one. Please don't, because I'm definitely not trying to. Because I'm way more hip to the financial markets than what I was about when Trump was in office. I wasn't even thinking about financial markets then, but now, what I'm telling myself, don't miss out. Yeah, yep. Say yes to me. Say yes to heaven. Say yes to me. Oh shit, oh shit. 'Cause I got my eye on you. 'Cause I got my eye on you. Been in, say yes to heaven. Say yes to...
What made you become a cricket campus ambassador?
I live to network. HBCU is all about that. The key word being network.
Game.
Like a certain network that has speedy 5G?
I see, you can take a hit.
Sing that shit for me, love. Oh, I feel so celestial. If you dance, I'll dance. Dance city way. Give me. Listen to that shit. Yeah. Yeah. What's going on, y'all? So I'm here in the lab in the office, and I'm already seeing something what I was kind of eyeing up last night, Sunday night, and pretty much price is already in this or inside of these premium levels of the trading range right now, because I am trading in between this high and this low here. So I'm looking for price to come into some premium levels, 0.786 or the 0.618 level, because I don't really see a point of interest to, you know, get involved from. Actually, I do. I stand corrected on that, but it's just kind of one of those lengthy kind of targets. Let's see, what was it? Yeah, actually there was none. I was right. I thought I saw something. Maybe that was on platinum, but nevertheless, price is inside of these premium levels right now on crude. So I will be looking for some sort of lower time frame confirmation inside of, you know, this premium level somewhere in here. So right now, this is still pre-market. Market has not opened yet. It is only 9:09. So I'm still just kind of hanging out in the office, preparing myself, you know, getting ready for the day. So nevertheless, I'll get back with you guys when the session's underway. Yeah. Oh shit, I didn't mean to skip that. Damn. Anyway, so I'm here in the lab, guys, here in the office, and right now I'm kind of eyeing up what I kind of mapped out on Sunday. I'm still in the market for bearish sentiment because oil has been selling off lately. So I'm guessing, you know, Oil's been doing pretty good, even though price is still high as shit. But nevertheless, I'm still more of, analyzing this chart. So I don't really have an order book, and don't really want to get into that right now because I'm still working on this aspect. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm looking at crude, and right now price is in some premium levels right now. The trading range is between this high and this low down here, and right now we are inside of these premium levels of this range. So what I will be expecting today, from Friday, Asia did not get any sort of liquidation, so Asia highs were still intact from last week. So, and it's still in the premium levels of this range. So I really like to see, I really like how this is forming up right now. So what I will be expecting today is some sort of lower time frame confirmation, either inside of these premium levels, or inside of this kind of tiny point of interest that I have kind of mapped out here, or essentially we'll be sweeping all of this liquidity, and then looking for a lower time frame confirmation inside of here to continue that 15-minute order flow we have here on the 15-minute time frame. So looking for confirmations as we currently speak, but nevertheless, I'm not going to rush anything, and we're just going to see what the day holds. So I'll get back with you guys if I see anything kind of map out or shape out. So till then, we chilling, man. We big bulling in the city. All right, like I said, we're gonna have to get this health together. Why I say it like that? We're gonna have to get this health together to really start manifesting more life, more energy, more abundance. You don't know. So what I got here is that green bomb, the celery, the lime, the green apple, and this shit is nasty, but it's good at the same time. How can it be such a thing? It's all that in one. And yeah, man, it starts here. You gotta get up on your green juice, up on your herbs, up on your fruits, up on your veggies, all that. I'm gonna start preaching that more to y'all because I believe that is truly important, bro. We've fallen from grace so much. Yeah, going on 10:30 now, and it's looking like market's not gonna gain me anything today. I don't really like, some news came out, China is kind of loosening their monetary, you guys are looking at the ceiling, I'm sorry. But like I was saying, China is loosening their monetary policy with, crude oil. So right now we're seeing some, bullish momentum from the market right now. So I don't really expect, the market to be selling off as of now. So would get into some flip zone sort of trades, but I don't really think that's going to be the best idea, especially with that whole monetary policy thing coming out with China. That's kind of sending oil to rally. So nothing today, guys, but nevertheless, the day rolls on. Yeah. All right, guys, still here in the lab, and it's going on 11:04, and I'm actually deciding to get in the flip zone idea, but damn, camera be tweaking on it. But I am tweaking again. But I'm still waiting for this flip zone idea to see if this is going to transpire for me today, since we do have some bullish volume coming into crude, and especially plus we had positive news for crude. I can't even talk either. So this POI failed, and this was the whole leg responsible for that break. So now I'm looking to get in some confirmation entries on this trade idea here. So got on 3 contracts and looking to see how this kind of shapes out. Approximately maybe about 45 minutes left in the session, so I'm going to kind of see how this kind of plans out for today. And I'm trying to get this thing to focus up, and this kind of hard to do with the little joystick. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, let's kind of see how this plans out for today. So flip zone trade idea underway. All right guys, so currently in some flip zone trade ideas. Let me turn this down. Currently in some flip zone trade ideas right now. The limit went off a little while ago, so I've been in this trade for a little bit right now. So price did initially wick above my break-even point, but I'm still, you know, in this trade. The risk is still on. I wanted to see a close above this level, and we only got a wick. We only got a wick above, so still waiting for a close. So risk is still on the table here. So we're just going to see how this trade idea plays out after a while. So I'll get back with you guys when we get some more, you know, real development. All right guys, so the time now is, let's see, 1:26, and I'm still in this trade. It's kind of consolidating right now, so really it's just a patience game right now. I'm not gonna close or like cut my trades early. I've done that in the past before, but it's not really a part of, you know, my plan these days. So nevertheless, we're still kind of floating. At least I'm at least waiting to either hit stop loss or at least get to a break-even point. So still waiting it out, to hoping at least, you know, get to a break-even. But nevertheless, you know, I'm just gonna wait it out, man, and see what happens. So I'll let you guys know when you know, everything plays out. So a little bit going on after lunch hour now, so we'll see how it unfolds. Yeah. Yep. Results are in. I'm done and dusted. So starting off the week with a charge, you know, it's all good. Keep it moving. Charge to the game. YouTube, it's trash day, so we gotta take out the trash. So I got this going on. About to bring this to the curb. It's kind of hard to do, so let's make sure we get this done in time. So we have a. You ever notice how wasteful we are as humans? But I feel like it's not even our fault, to be honest, because all the shit that we buy comes in plastic or plastic packaging. Like this shit it really starts with the companies, bro. Cause like if the company has some like sustainable packaging that all this shit came in, it'll probably be a little better. But it's just a never-ending cycle. That's why we got oceans full of plastic. YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Ascension Capitals, man. Tapping back in with another one. And today's Tuesday. I just put trash to the curb because it is trash day. Let's see if I can get this right. It's December 10th, it's 8:39 right now. I'm up a little bit earlier than I usually do. Probably due to my sleep schedule. Just haven't been getting much sleep, so might as well wake up a little earlier. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at the sun like glistening through the trees over there. Doesn't that look very holy? Very holy. But yeah, I'm gonna get this rising walk on and we're gonna get straight to the day. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when I'm at the charts. And yeah, let's do it. Another opportunity to be great. You dig? I'm queuing up this one hit quit. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm waiting to price to close above this high so I can essentially take my risk off of the table, because risk is still on right now. I'm risking 3 contracts, looking to take my risk off. If we take another charge today, that's okay. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday took a $48 charge. What can I do? Charges to the game. You feel what I'm saying? As long as I'm following my plan and doing what I'm supposed to do, overall in the long run I'll be profitable. But obviously on the other skin of that, if I'm emotionally sporadic, lose my profits or lose my account in general. But nevertheless, let's just see what's going on. Okay, looking to take my risk off when we close above this high, and we're just kind of floating around it right now, up about $48. Like I said, 3 contracts on, and come on, close above the high, man, so I can take this risk off. Go ahead and do that for you, for a young player. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, one hit quit, queued up. Trade update. So what do we have here? Order filled, bro. Yeah, so ended up taking a break even here. Price gave me what I was looking for as far as my break even point, so trade management was on point. So boom, as soon as we got that close above that high, that's when I wrote my stop to break even. So let's see, I got closed out here and we came back to my entry. So yeah, break even, sitting on a break even right now, but this actually still may end up working out, or we may get a deeper retracement. But right now, you know, I'm just kind of cooling it, kind of resetting, and see, you know, if anything else kind of shapes up during my session. But yeah, right now sitting on, you know, good break even here. So yeah, now we wait and we relax, reset, relax. All right, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, so this idea is leaving without me right now, so I'm kind of hurt, low key. But nevertheless, man, you know, I call the idea. So like I said, it's still kind of catching some bullish momentum. So I'm looking for it to deliver here. If it breaks this high and, you know, give me some sort of retracement to get in again from, like some sort of structural point, you know, I would do just that and, you know, try it again. But it has to break the high first and give me that retracement. But if it doesn't, then it's oh well. I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines and sit on the break even today, and we're just gonna, you know, week starting a little rough, but yeah, that's just how it's gonna go with this trade idea for today. So we're just gonna see, man. We're just gonna see, man. But yeah, that was a good kind of call on the idea though. So hopefully I can get that delivered, and hopefully I can trade, well, platinum. I definitely want to trade, you know, start doing that whole swing trading thing with platinum. But when it comes to trading platinum on, you know, through Tradeovate, the margin has to be a certain requirement. You just can't trade it with a $100 account or $300 account or even $500 account. Yeah, you trade platinum, you gotta have some cheese. But yeah, you gotta have the margin level to really be able to trade platinum, and to not only trade it, day trade it, but to be able to swing trade it. So the margin for that is, you know, kind of up there. So I have to be able to get my account to, you know, that level, or, you know, that requirement to be able to swing trade platinum. So that's something I definitely want to do in the near future, because I've been swing trading it, well, kind of demo trading it and forward testing it for quite some time. And crude is still, you know, struggling to catch some momentum here. So I'm just gonna see what the heck's going on. But yeah, guys, still in the lab. Oh, doing what I do. I'll catch up with you guys in a few. You dig? Alright. Price is like about 97% away from the target that I had in mind. And if I can get a retracement, I'll take this, you know, kind of continuation entry here. But that doesn't look very likely. I would take something like this, because we have broken this key level here, this high that I wanted to see taken. So yeah, nevertheless, this idea did kind of work out, but my break-even point was kind of premature, I feel like, because essentially this was the whole leg that put in the mitigation. So I should have kind of waited to go break even here, but I kind of wanted to, you know, kind of be aggressive on protecting, you know, my risks. So, you know, nevertheless, you know, still did that, but at the cost of kind of, you know, missing out on the idea. So give or take, you know, one of those kind of management kind of things. But yeah, if I can get this retracement, I would be happy to take this, because this is following my plan. But we're very close to the target. So if that, you know, if this is taken, this is breached, I'll, you know, kind of be done for the day. But yeah, we'll just kind of see what happens. But I'll update you guys, or if I'm not here in the next clip, you know why. But yeah, guys, take it easy, stay breezy. All right, guys, so here we are. Price ended up reaching target on that first position. So boom, target would have got smashed here. And now we are possibly waiting for some more, you know, delivery for some retracement down here into that, but it doesn't look very likely at the current moment. But that is just something that I do have in mind. But yeah, man, freak. Wish I would have kind of been more lenient, but nevertheless more aggressive on the break-even point. Because realistically, my break-even should have been here, which was the whole leg that put in the mitigation, not looking, you know, at the kind of choppier internal action, because we are already looking at 1M order flow. So you got to be kind of precise when kind of picking swing points. But yeah, I wasn't precise. So yeah, here we are, seeing what else kind of develops. But that would have been nice if I could have booked that. But still, I'm not complaining, because still booked a break even at least, so still protecting the capital. But I was just kind of aggressive, like I said. But yeah, guys, we're going to see what else kind of develops for the session. It's 11:47 right now. Current time check. Yeah, probably about, you know, an hour left in the session, nevertheless. So we're gonna see what she holds. But I'll get back with you guys if I get into anything else. So yep. Today is over with. Price literally has taken off without me. So yeah, it's over with. Took my break even today. I'm not complaining, but I was kind of aggressive on the break even point, to be honest. Even though I got the close above this high on the 1M, I'm now looking at price on the 2 minute. Even though I got that close above the high on the 1 minute, the real leg that kind of put in the mitigation was here. So, you know, I was kind of aggressive on that. I should have waited for price to close and then roll my stops to break even, but I was a bit aggressive. But nevertheless, Still didn't lose any capital today, but that aggression kind of caused me to lose out on capital today. So you know what I'm saying? Because this could have been a nice 3.5 booked. But yeah, guys, kind of left without me. We may not get this retracement that I'm looking for here because price is now broken the 15 minute high here in this purge or this rally to the upside. So yeah, probably won't be looking at any continuations today. So let's see, looking at price on the 15M. We're just kind of taking this high. Yeah, literally just wicked it. And now, if anything, this would be more of a liquidity hunt sort of model. If I were to look for anything, I would be no longer interested in long. So yeah, guys, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm probably just gonna call it a day on a break even, sitting on that for today. Yeah, and just see what tomorrow brings. But yeah, guys, that's all we got for this marvelous Tuesday. I'm gonna go and get on with the rest of the day and try to stay warm out here because it's getting cold in the dirty South. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, stay easy, stay breezy. Maybe I'll keep rising, and peace for now.